Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. How are you? And welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts, Beginner Gardening Chronicles. I purchased some bok choy, baby bok choy. I believe it was February 23rd, and I put them in containers of water to see if I could get them to root. They have rooted, some of them, and I'm going to transplant them into some soil. So let me take you down and show you what's going on here. Hold on. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All of them have not rooted. I put them in these glass containers, and you got to pretty much water them every day. But look how beautiful they're looking. And let's see which one have roots. That just has some nubs, so I don't know if I want to plant that yet. It's pretty big. That has, this one has a little bit of roots. That might go in the soil. We'll see. There was a couple of them that has a nub. I don't think it's ready. I know I saw some with roots. I know I did. Oh, look at this one. Look, 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 look. So we're going to put that one in. Let's check this one out. Nope, that has nothing. That has nothing. So I'll keep these other ones just growing here until we get roots. That has a couple nubs. Oh, oh, get in the camera. We're not going to do that one. I know there's more than one. And I'm wondering, should I plant the nubs? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Look at this one, y'all. Yes, 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 yes. We're going to do that one. And let me see if this one has. Nope, that just has a nub. Doggone it. So that's two. I don't want to kill them if I put the nubs in, but they might sprout. This one, this one I think is dying. It's black and it's rotted. So I don't think I have any hope for that one. So I have some cocoa coir mixed with perlite and neem neem something. It's a neem powder. And I got this big one, this because I thought I was going to have more to plant. Yeah, and I'm using a plastic spoon. It's okay. It's okay. All my tools are downstairs. So this one had the roots, and we're just gonna put it about right there and cover it up. Pack it around, push it down in there. Which other one? This one has lots of roots. So we're gonna put this on the opposite side. I think I'm gonna put the ones in here with the nubs, because those are roots, right? Push that it down in there and get that soil contact. That's got one nub. That has 1.5 nubs. This one has no nubs. That has one nub. Oh boy. This one has a root. A little root. Can y'all see that little root? So, and do we have some more nubs? Now this one has a couple nubs. So I'm gonna plant these two. Like at least get 4 in here, right? Okay, and which one was it? This one. They're tiny roots. There's some roots on there. And put this one right here. Pack that soil around the base of this baby bok choy. Now let's see how big they get. Pack that soil in there. Okay, that's all I wanted to do today. Get some water in here. And I'm just going to use this water that's in these. Why not? Why not? I've got holes in the bottom of this container. I'm gonna soak it real good, and then I will feed it from the bottom. I've got it on this container, this dish here, and then I'll do the soil. Um, I'm sorry, I'll water from the bottom. Yeah, that's got two nubs. Let me stop. Let me stop. That's enough in here because I don't know how big they're gonna grow. They're baby bok choy, so they're not gonna grow too big. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I'll keep you posted on these other bok choys because I want to get them transplanted as soon as we get roots on them. Peace and love. Keep growing. Let's grow together. Love ya. Thumbs up, right? Thumbs up, and we'll see you soon.